Well, hi there. I've taken a couple of days off, and I thought, well, let's take another look and see how we're doing. Now, it's about 5 after 3 right now. I have made 11 trades so far today using this Premonition screen. And so far, all 11, well, they've all been bought and sold, and all 11 were profitable. So I took a course a while ago from Dr. Cooper. You probably heard of this. Pretty expensive course. And he told me, the instructor that I had, told me that the best traders in the world rarely get 10 in a row. Well, we had a run of 53 in a row. 11 so far today. And I thought I'd better, well, it's been such a good day, I better turn on the camera and see if I can share a little bit of this with you. So right now, there's nothing happening. You can see there's no yellow marks here. We've got a pretty strong up day. It's green, and it's number 10, which indicates a lot of strength to the upside. It's been up as high as 13 today. The lowest was 1, but all green, no reds at all. So it's a matter of just sitting here and waiting. What we do is we look underneath each of the select 12 stocks that we monitor, and we look for a yellow bar, a yellow indicator to come up. That tells us it's getting ready to make a trade, as ConocoPhillips just has. And you can see it's green, which agrees with the market. That's good to see. So that would be a call. Oh, FCX as well. So we'll monitor them both. We don't want to show any favoritism. COP, FCX, both up. As soon as the yellow bar disappears, we'll take a look. Okay, COP is ready to go. And FCX will be, I'm sure, when we're done. So let's take a look. COP, 91.93. The price of the $46 call, 91.93. I'll just write that down, and we'll take a look at FCX. It's 266 and 272. Pretty expensive. 266, 272. We got to be careful when we buy these because this is expiration week. So you know that if they don't come into the money by Friday, they're going to expire worthless. And also remember that if you don't get rid of them, you could be stuck owning something that you may not have wanted. So liquidate your positions before Friday's over. It's not something you can say, I'm going to hold this until Monday. You do that, you may be in for a very unpleasant surprise. Well, looks like we're down a little bit on ConocoPhillips. It was 91.93, now 90.92. So we would be down 3 cents on that one, but got to give us some time. How about FCX? How are we doing on that? That was for the $70 call, and that was 266, 272. There it is, 277, 281. So there's a nickel. So success already. That didn't take long. Now we just got to work on that ConocoPhillips. So there we go. That's how difficult this is. Now you will not always be right. Don't ever misunderstand and expect to be right. And I'll tell you something. Never, ever, ever do this with money that you can't afford to lose. There's always an element of risk. Just click on it. Oh, just dropped it a little bit. So we may see a loser right here. ConocoPhillips now 89.92. So we'll watch it and see what happens. We've got about 40 minutes left before the trading day is over. We should move this down so you can see that we are looking at ConocoPhillips there. Now you can see it right there, COP. Well, this is what I do while I'm waiting. I feel like that guy on The Office. What's his name? Creed. You ever look at his computer when he's when they pan the camera back? He's always playing solitaire. I think I've had employees like that in the past, but anyhow, it's I'm getting pretty good at this. Get rid of that. How are we doing? Oh, we're down a little bit more. Come on, ConocoPhillips. Don't make a monkey out of me. I think I'm gonna go and get a banana. Be right back. There we go. We're getting there. We paid 93. It's now 92.94. So we're down a cent. Oh, just dropped the 90. Come on, it's going to hover around that number, but looks like we're not going to lose. If we do lose, it's not going to be much. Now she's starting to do something. 94.97. Didn't want to spoil the record. So we're up a cent. It was 91.93 when we looked at it. Now 94, so we would have paid 93. We could now sell it for 94. And that's a cent. Makes sense to me. 95.97, so we're up 2 cents. 96.98, we're getting there.